We hope you enjoy A Vampire in a Car Crash is Dead and Must Pay for It. Read by the author Rachel Lawson from her Magicians series. Max, I'm sorry, your friend Michael is dead. I told my friend, who was in shock after having a car accident, I was the coroner. Max wasn't hurt, but he was already dead. You would be dead, too, if you weren't a vampire, I said. How do I look, Doc? Max, who looked a mess, asked. I'm not going there. Fix yourself, you're a sorcerer. And don't call me Doc. You aren't Bugs Bunny. I told him get out of that wreck. Oh, right, Max said, materializing out of the car. When he appeared, he looked healthy and was in a clean set of clothes. You look better, I said. The police want to talk to you. More paperwork, said Max. Yeah, I said, paperwork. Am I going to jail? You think? Asked Max. Possibly. Survivor and you are guilty. You have that chance, I told him. Later at his trial. Why did you crash? Asked the lawyer for the people. I fell asleep, Max said. In the dock. He's guilty as charged, the judge later proclaimed. A week later, Max, we miss you at the theatre. I told him we acted as stage magicians. Here's my assistant. He was doing community service cleaning the streets without magic, which would have been easier and more effective. It was his punishment. I missed them too. I hate manual labour, Max complained. When I left him, I was sad. I couldn't help him. He looked so pitiful. Max, the king of the sun and vampires, a great sorcerer, was forced to do public service because he was dead before he was in an accident which would have killed him. I saw no justice in that. The end. We hope you enjoyed that.